Uh-oh. Did you hear that sound? Toki looked, but nothing was there. Was it Bubu? Oh, it was Lulu's light. Now everyone made funny sounds together.
Like, share, and subscribe for more.